सत्ता का खेल तो चलेगा, सरकारें आएंगी जाएंगी, पार्टियां बनेगी बिगड़ेंगी, मगर ये देश रहना चाहिए, इस देश का लोकतंत्र अमर रहना चाहिए।
Power in India doesn't just come from winning elections. It comes from shaping the constitution, unifying kingdoms, launching wars, surviving assassinations, rewriting economic destinies, and sometimes controlling everything without even holding office. From the Iron Lady who split a party and a nation, to the economic architect who quietly changed the course of history, to the modern day titan who dominates both headlines and hashtags, these are not just politicians, they are power itself. Today on India Top 10, we rank the top 10 most powerful politicians in India since independence, measured by their influence, legacy, mass appeal, crisis management, party control, and impact on the nation. This isn't just a list, it's a deep dive into the very DNA of Indian democracy. Starting our list is a rare tie between two legends with completely different styles of power, K. Kamaraj and Dr. B. R. Ambedkar. Kamaraj, the kingmaker from Tamil Nadu, played a crucial role in shaping India's leadership after Nehru. His decision to back Lal Bahadur Shastri and later Indira Gandhi changed the course of Indian politics. As Chief Minister of Madras, now Tamil Nadu, he pioneered the midday meal scheme and transformed primary education across the state. Though humble in demeanor, his organizational strength made him one of the most influential congressmen of his time. Dr. B. R. Ambedkar, on the other hand, didn't command a party or government for long, but his intellectual and moral power shaped India's constitution, laying the foundation for democracy, secularism, and social justice. A tireless champion of Dalit rights, he remains a revered figure for millions and is one of India's most cited thinkers in legal and policy circles even today. At number 9 is the father of India's economic reforms, P.V. Narasimha Rao. Taking charge in 1991 during a grave economic crisis, he boldly liberalized India's economy with Finance Minister Manmohan Singh, ending the license Raj and opening India to global markets. While he led a minority government, Rao managed to stay in power for 5 years with political acumen, steering India through turbulent times. His calm demeanor often masked a sharp strategic mind. Although not a charismatic mass leader, his contribution to India's growth story is monumental. Number 8, L.K. Advani. Lal Krishna Advani, co-founder of the Bharatiya Janata Party, BJP, ranks 8th. He was the ideological architect of modern right-wing politics in India, bringing Hindutva into the national mainstream through his 1990 Ram Rath Yatra. While never Prime Minister himself, Advani served as Deputy PM and Home Minister under Vajpayee. He built the BJP's organizational structure and positioned it as a serious national contender. His ability to galvanize support and shape India's political discourse cannot be overstated. At number 7 is Sonia Gandhi, one of the most powerful political figures never to hold public office. As Congress president for 19 years, she oversaw the party's revival and back-to-back general election victories in 2004 and 2009. She was the de facto head of the UPA governments, led by Manmohan Singh, and is widely credited with driving key welfare policies like MGNREGA and RTI through her National Advisory Council. Her leadership style, quiet yet commanding, allowed her to exercise power behind the scenes like few others. Kalaignnar Karunanidhi, the 5-time Chief Minister of Tamil Nadu, holds the 6th position. He ruled Tamil Nadu politics for over 5 decades and made the Dravidian movement a lasting political force. Karunanidhi was a cultural icon, a sharp administrator, and a coalition kingmaker in national politics. He pushed for social justice, reservation reforms, and the growth of Tamil identity. Despite never aiming for national office, his influence in Delhi through alliances made him a key player in successive coalition governments. Number 5, Sardar Vallabhbhai Patel, the Iron Man of India, was instrumental in unifying more than 560 princely states post-independence. His firm yet pragmatic diplomacy ensured India's territorial integrity and federal structure. Patel laid the foundation for All India services, giving India a permanent bureaucratic framework. Though his national political career was cut short, His legacy as a nation builder and firm administrator is unmatched. His power was decisive, immediate, and critical to the survival of the Indian Union. At number 4 is Atal Bihari Vajpayee, a poet-statesman and one of India's most beloved prime ministers. He led India through the Pokhran 2 nuclear tests, the Kargil War, and initiated major infrastructure projects like the Golden Quadrilateral. His leadership was marked by balance between economic liberalism and political coalition building. A respected orator across party lines, Vajpayee's tenure marked a golden period of growth and diplomacy. He was the first non-Congress leader to complete a full term as PM. Before we dive into the top 3, if you're enjoying this video, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon.
At the stroke of the midnight hour, when the world sleeps, India will awake to life and freedom.
Jawaharlal Nehru, India's first Prime Minister, ranks 3rd. He served from 1947 to 1964, shaping India's democratic institutions, secularism, foreign policy, and public sector-driven industrialization. Nehru established the IITs, AIMs, and championed the non-aligned movement. He upheld civil liberties and laid the foundation for India's parliamentary democracy. Despite the 1962 war with China staining his later years, Nehru's long tenure and visionary leadership left a legacy that continues to guide India's polity. At number 2 is Indira Gandhi, India's first and only female prime minister. Her rule, 1966 to 77, 1980 to 84, was marked by bold, often controversial decisions that reshaped India. From nationalizing banks, steering the Green Revolution, and conducting India's first nuclear test, to leading India to victory in the 1971 Bangladesh Liberation War, Indira's leadership was decisive and transformative. Her imposition of the emergency, 1975 to 77, is one of the darkest yet most powerful examples of centralized control in Indian history. Love her or hate her, Indira Gandhi remains one of the most powerful politicians India has ever seen, combining charisma, mass appeal, strategic cunning, and unshakable authority. Top in the list is Narendra Modi, India's current and arguably most dominant modern-day prime minister. Since 2014, Modi has redefined Indian politics with a mix of development narratives, nationalism, and strongman leadership. He led the BJP to back-to-back absolute majorities, a feat not seen since the 1980s. Modi's tenure has included transformational and controversial decisions: abrogation of Article 370, GST, demonetization, and massive infrastructure and digital campaigns. He is a global figure, consistently ranked among the top 10 most powerful people in the world by Forbes. In a bold and unprecedented move, Modi ordered a surgical strike and later an airstrike against a nuclear-armed adversary, a first for 21st century, signaling a new era of military assertiveness and global positioning. With unmatched control over his party and immense popularity, Modi continues to shape India's domestic and international trajectory in real time. And that wraps up our list of the top 10 most powerful politicians in India since independence. Do you agree with our rankings? Did we miss someone who deserved to be on the list? Drop your thoughts in the comments below, and don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more deep dives into India's past, present, and future. See you in the next one.
What about you? Is there a situation in which you might attack Pakistan?
Well, I hope not. India has always tried to be on the side of peace and negotiations and so on. But of course we can't endanger our security in any way. It's, water going higher and higher.
What are you going to do about it?
Well, something will have to be done.